Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Windows and GPU drivers must be current so the game's dependencies load correctly. Once done, open the Xbox app and confirm the Game Pass client lists Black Ops 6 is installed rather than streaming. You then close overlays and background utilities, Xbox Game Bar, Discord, and any FPS or recording tools, because overlays commonly conflict with anti-cheat or DirectX. After closing them, reboot the PC to clear locked files and prepare for the next step. You now address corrupted files and settings. First, repair or reset the Xbox app and run WS Reset. exe to clear the Microsoft Store cache, which often fixes launch errors. Next, verify the game's integrity by using the Xbox app repair option. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall using a stable wired connection. Large installs fail on flaky Wi-Fi. Also, set your power plan to high performance and disable full-screen optimizations on the game's executable so Windows does not throttle or inject incompatible hooks. Finish by targeting drivers and anti-cheat. If crashes continue, perform a clean GPU driver install using the in safe mode to remove leftover packages that cause instability. Make sure the game's anti-cheat service is active and whitelisted in your antivirus and firewall, because blocked services will force immediate crashes. Once done, test the game. If it still crashes, collect event viewer errors and a crash dump, then contact support with those diagnostics. A single troubleshooting tip: try a different user profile to rule out corrupted local settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.